Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a pigeon puppet based on the Pigeon character from Mo Willems' Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. Here's the final product, what it will look like at the end. And for this exercise you'll need the following materials. You'll need a bit of foam from the dollar store, a pair of scissors, pencil, a large popsicle stick, and a dark marker. It doesn't need to be black, just dark. First step for you to take is to take your piece of foam, and on it you want to draw a large circle in pencil, and underneath that you want to draw an even larger semicircle. Inside the small circle at the top, draw a small circle and then another one inside that to make the eye of the pigeon. You can then add the pigeon's beak, connect the circle to the semicircle with 2 lines, and then draw on the band on the neck. After that you can draw what I call the letter G to make the wing. Once that's done, you can take your black marker and trace around the edge that you drew. Around the edge. Make sure the eye gets nice and dark so you can see it. Right around that pencil mark. And then do the letter G. Make sure not to touch the line because it will still be wet and you will get marker all over your finger, and we don't want that. Once you've drawn it all out, you can take it and you can use your scissors to cut it out. Yep. Quickly cut it out. And when you're done, you're going to glue your popsicle stick to it. The beak is always the trickiest part. You can actually save that for later if you want. So there's my pigeon. I can discard the rest. Take my popsicle stick, take my glue, just put a little bit of glue at the top. Just like that. Stick my pigeon on there. And the final step is to take your marker and draw the feet onto the popsicle stick. And there we have it. There's your homemade pigeon puppet. Don't let me drive the bus!